When we talk about reading comprehension passages, so we have to first of all think which type of passage is there. Normally in the exams, the passage is long, right? We will be looking at the 2020 exam right now. So these are some of the guidelines that I have put it down. For example, the number of questions would be 8, the paragraph, group of sentences. We have to look for the topic sentence. For example, looking at this passage, now this is the 2020 exam. Olive trees have been cultivated for thousands of years and today is still one of the world's most extensively grown, and they are basically in traditional herbal medicine. These are used for these inflammatory different parts. So for example, for paragraph 1, what I have written it down: uses of olives, importance of olives, trees and olives in ancient times. And this is the first of all I have written the uses of olives. Basically the first thing, or the first part deals with it. Okay, now talking about the second paragraph, Hebrew Bible, and this is the part which you have to look for. This is the topic sentence that not only link between the olive tree and religion, it means that this is dealing with religion. Now what we have to do, we have to look for two things. First is the topic sentence, then the supporting details. Okay, now this is a very lengthy passage. I hope we will go into detail. And this is the source of wealth. This is how you write things. These are the points that we have jotted down. This is the first part of 12 marks. Okay, the importance of olives and olive trees in ancient times. So it is used in sporting events, it is used as a branch, right? Inflammatory first point, then ancient sporting event second, winning, strengthen themselves. The olive was seen in symbol of glory, then symbol of peace. Okay, then the connection with religion. So these are all the things that are going in ancient. Similarly, when we talk about ancient, more than 5,000 years ago, wealth, source of wealth, patronage, so ancient writings, and olive wood is used in ancient building. So these are the points. Similarly for modern, the word modern is written, chemical found, medical antioxidants, curing people from cancer, drugs, etc. Crucial vitamin A, vitamin E is here. Olive trees, long association with fine cooking, meals, enhances treatment, hair treatment, baking products, furniture, durability. Right now, after jotting the points, the importance of olives and olive trees in ancient times, these are the major points. Modern times, in the detailed classes, we go through all the transitions and how to add them, and then finally the most awaited summary. Right? In ancient times, olives were used in tradition. These are 10 words that are given for treating inflammatory and allergy related problems. Moreover, transition, please use transitions. Look, this is transition, this is transitions, coupled with it, this is transition. In the Minoan civilization, it was considered a symbol of wealth. Furthermore, transition in modern times, later transition, please use transitions. This is how to structure it. This is of 161, 163 words. 161. Okay, so in modern times, increase due to its immense medical benefits. This results in relieving patients from pain, digestive problems, and providing protection against developing cancer. Its nutritious value is undeniable as it also contains different vitamins and healthy fats. Other miscellaneous uses include cooking, cosmetics, and olive wood is also used for its durability and unique patterns. So please don't miss this opportunity. Join the classes. The number is being provided, and workshops will be provided as well. Just write your name on the comments and just send a message to this number. Okay, the workshops will also be provided. Classes are starting as well. The workshop will be held in a week or two. I hope that it's clear. This is the 2020 May June paper. Passage 1. Olives. Okay. This is the end of this session.